It was the worst July that we've ever had for wildfire smoke in Missoula, Montana. To have our smoke impact start on July 8th and continue pretty much every day into August, that was the most smoke we've ever sat here and inhaled for that period of time.
Up the back. And you can see, yeah, even though it's probably, you can see it's a little orange here, which means it's working. Yeah. Just to keep that air clean.
Well, it's a lifesaver because I can breathe better. You know, with the air quality the way it is, you know, you got to come and go, and you're bringing in the unhealthy air, and it's going to affect you. You know, I checked it this morning.
Okay.
So.
Well, why don't I leave this here so when it does get dirty, if we have smoke for a month, you know, it might get dirty again, and then.
So we have whole sections of our population that aren't anywhere near a air monitor that gives them useful information.